To change the purge valve in a 1.8 liter Chevy Cruze, it's going to be located on the back side of the engine. So it's right here. There's 3 clips that we're going to have to remove. So this is the replacement part. You can see it on here. These 2 on this side and then this side. Super easy. You don't need any tools. For this one, you might want to use a flathead screwdriver, but you don't really need it. I'll show you how to do it without. So this first one, you're going to push down on this tab back here and then just pull it off. This one here is the trickiest one. Underneath, you're going to want to use both your fingers on each side and then pull them apart and push up. So it's a little bit tricky, but there you go. So like I said, I pushed, it's basically like a U. So the bottom side, it's open. You're gonna wanna put your fingers up on the bottom side of that red tab, pull apart, and then push it up at the same time. So now we can go ahead and take that off. And then this one back here, there's a button right here. You're gonna wanna push that in decently hard, as far in as you can push it, and then pull off. Now this is sitting on a metal rail. You can see it. Good little focus. You can kind of tell. There's a metal rail right here that it's sitting on. I'll show you the new one. So the metal rail, if it will focus, is on here. So all you're gonna do is just slide it right off this way. This might take a little bit of wiggling back and forth. There we go. And that rubber piece stayed on the metal. So we're gonna need to take that off because the replacement part comes with that little rubber gasket there, okay? And then the purge valve, the new one, goes on like this. The one side goes on facing the passenger wheel, and then these 2 sides face the driver's side. So you're gonna slide it on that rail that you just took it off. Yeah, if you can get it on. Okay, there we go. There we go. And then you'll just reattach it the same way that you took it off. All right. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put that all the way on. Push that down. And then you'll wanna get this on there. And then you just push it on until it snaps. So all of these should be pretty secure. So there you go. Pretty easy.